What happens when a massive white Brahman bull leaves a peaceful green farm? Its journey doesn't end at the farm. The material that eventually becomes a luxury backpack or travel bag passes through a carefully controlled chain of collection, processing, leather preparation, cutting, stitching, finishing, and quality inspection. And the biggest transformation happens inside the factory. From the green fields to the finished luxury bag, every stage changes the material completely. The journey begins in the countryside, surrounded by green fields and open pasture. White Brahman cattle move through the grass while farmers manage the herd and prepare the animals for the next stage of the agricultural cycle. The peaceful farm environment looks very different from the industrial facility that comes later. Once the agricultural cycle is complete, the usable hides are collected through regulated processing channels. They are carefully handled and prepared for transportation. The hides must be kept clean and protected before reaching the leather processing facility. This is where the journey from raw hide to finished leather begins. The prepared hides are carefully loaded into a covered transport vehicle. Workers organize the material so it can be transported safely without unnecessary damage. The vehicle leaves the countryside and begins its journey toward the specialized leather processing facility. The loaded truck travels through long rural roads surrounded by fields and countryside. As the landscape changes, the destination becomes more industrial. Eventually, large factory buildings appear ahead. This is where the raw hides will undergo their biggest transformation. The truck arrives at a modern leather processing facility. The load enters the receiving area, where workers prepare the hides for unloading and inspection. Large industrial drums, stainless steel equipment, storage areas, and processing machinery can be seen inside. The quiet farm journey has now become a highly organized industrial process. The hides are unloaded and placed into the receiving area. Workers inspect their size, thickness, surface condition, and overall quality. Hides with the required characteristics continue into production. The material is then prepared for cleaning and treatment. Now the real leather processing stage begins. The hides enter large industrial washing systems. Water and controlled cleaning solutions remove dirt, salt, and unwanted material from the surface. Large rotating drums keep the hides moving while the cleaning process takes place. After this stage, the raw material is ready for deeper treatment. The cleaned hides undergo controlled tanning and treatment processes. Specialized machines and processing drums help transform the raw hide into stable, durable leather. Temperature, chemical balance, moisture, and processing time are carefully controlled. This is one of the most important stages because it gives the leather the strength and flexibility needed for high-quality products. Finished leather sheets are transferred to the garment and bag production department. Computer-guided cutting systems create precise patterns for backpacks and travel bags. Panels, straps, handles, pockets, and other components are cut from the leather. The layout is carefully planned to reduce waste while keeping the natural grain and appearance of the leather consistent. The cut leather pieces move to skilled sewing stations. Industrial sewing machines create strong seams while experienced workers assemble the bags. Panels are joined, straps are attached, pockets are constructed, and linings and hardware are installed. Then each bag enters finishing. Edges are refined, surfaces are cleaned and conditioned, and the final shape is carefully checked. At this stage, separate pieces finally become a recognizable luxury backpack or travel bag. Bags are carefully packaged and moved into organized storage before shipment. And that's the remarkable transformation. From raw hide to carefully processed leather, and from leather sheets to a finished luxury backpack or travel bag. What makes this process fascinating isn't just the material. It's the combination of traditional leather craftsmanship, modern machinery, precision cutting, skilled workers, and strict quality control. If you enjoy discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.